Hi everyone, welcome to the Hooked on You square, part of the Read and Crochet Along. And today's square is Hooked on You, like I said, and it is inspired by my book, Hooked on You. This is the first book in the Maple Falls romance series. And if you enjoy Hallmark movies, you're going to enjoy this book. So what you're going to need to make this square is Red Heart yarn. That's the yarn I'm using. And a link for how to get the yarn is in the description box below. A crochet hook, I'm using an H hook, but use any hook that you need to make the size of square you want. This is a very customizable pattern. A yarn needle and a pair of scissors. So for Hooked on You, I use the colors Perfect Pink to go with the pink yarn here. Pale Plum, because there's also some lavender colored yarn on the book cover. Soft White, because there's white in the title. And then this lovely teal color, which is called Jade, but it looks like teal to me. And that's for the facade here. So let's get started. For round one, we're going to start with Perfect Pink. So you want to put a slip knot on your hook. You're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to join into the first stitch, pull through the slip stitch, and then you've got a ring. You're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and that's going to count as a half double crochet and a chain 1. Then you're going to do a half double crochet and chain 1 7 times. So we just did 1, so we're going to do 6 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Put that in there. Don't forget to do that chain 1. Then I'm going to pull this end, keep that, that'll make the middle tight. So you want to make sure that you have 8 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then remember this is a half double and a chain 1. All right, then you're going to slip stitch into the second chain of that chain 3, and that's going to be right here. And that's going to be your center, but you don't want to fasten off. So we're going to move straight away to round 2. You're going to slip stitch into the next space. So that's going to be right here. Then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is going to count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Then you're going to double crochet into the same space, chain 1, and then you're going to do a V-stitch, and this actually is a V-stitch, it's just a beginning V-stitch. So for the special stitch, that's going to be a V-stitch into this space here. You're going to double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same space. And then you're going to chain 1, and you'll do the same thing all around. So let's do one more. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then chain 1, and I'll meet you at the beginning of the round. All right, so we're at the beginning of the round. I went ahead and chained 1, and so now I am going to slip stitch into the third chain of that beginning chain 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then that gives us the center of our square. On to round 3. All right, so we're going to take Pale Plum, and we're going to join in any V-stitch, which I'm going to join in this one. All right, so you can use whatever method you want to join. You are just going to chain 1 once you do join. So here's my chain 1. Then I'm going to tuck my tail out of the way, and I am going to put 3 single crochets into that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Oops, caught the tail. All right, then I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, nope. I looked at the wrong round. So we're going to do a front post double crochet around this half double crochet. So we just go under the post, yarn over, and then we'll pull through and pull through twice, and there's your front post double. And then you're going to put 3 single crochets into that next V-stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll front post double around this half double crochet from round 2, doing the same thing. And then we're just going to repeat that around. So in the next V-stitch space, 1, 2, 3, and then we have a front post double around the half double. And that's what it's going to look like. All right, so I'm going to finish this and I'll see you at the beginning of round 3. Okay, so I'm at the beginning of the round, and as you see, I have 8 front post stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then between those are 3 single crochets. So you should have 8 clusters of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now we're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet. I'm going to get your hook underneath the V there, and then yarn over, pull through. All right, and that is round 3. Now on to round 4. For round 4, we're going to take soft white and we're going to join in the second crochet stitch in any 3 single crochet clusters. So I'm going to start in this one. There's the first one. I'm going to join in this middle one here. Then I'm going to chain 4, like I had said in the last one. I looked at the wrong round. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's going to count as a double crochet and a chain 1. And we're going to do a double crochet into that same stitch. Might be a little tight depending on how tight you make your single crochets. And then you're going to chain 1. You're going to front post double crochet around this front post double crochet, then chain 1. You're going to skip the next stitch and you're going to V-stitch, which is what this is. That was the beginning V-stitch. You're going to V-stitch in the second single crochet. So I'm going to do a double, chain 1, double in the next stitch, in the same stitch. Then we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to repeat. We're going to front post double around the front post double of the previous round, chain 1, and then we're going to skip the next stitch, and then we're going to go into the next stitch and do a V-stitch. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And you're going to repeat around front post. Make sure you do your chain 1s in between. Chain 1, front post, chain 1, V-stitch, chain 1, front post. All right, I'm going to finish this and then I'll meet you I'll meet you at the beginning of this round and then we'll go on to round 5. All right, so we're at the beginning of the round and I have already done my chain 1 after this front post double crochet, so I'm going to join by putting a slip stitch into the third chain of this chain 4 that we did at the beginning. So that's 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. All right, and that is round 4. So get yourself a nice circle there. And we are going to go on to round 5. Okay, for round 5, we're going to use jade and we're going to join in any chain 1 space, any V-stitch space. Let's try that again. Okay. All right, then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to put another double crochet in that same space, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets into that space, 1 and 2. All right, then we're going to chain 1. And we're going to front post double around the next front post double crochet, chain 1, and then in this next space we're going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, front post double around the next front post double, chain 1, and then we're going to put another corner, so it's going to be 2 double crochets. That's 1 and 2, chain 2, then 1 and 2, and that gives us our side right here. Okay, then we're going to chain 1 again. We're going to front post double, chain 1, and then we're going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, front post double around the front post double, chain 1, and then the next space we're going to put another corner. 1, 2, all right, that's 2 double crochets, chain 2, 1 and 2, and then 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. Okay, and so then what you've got is 2 sides done. You're going to repeat this around, and I will see you at the beginning of the round. Okay, so we are at the beginning of the round. I need to make my chain 1 here, and playing some serious yarn chicken. I don't recommend this. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. Pull it through. Now your circle is a square. All right, so now we're going to go on to round 6. Okay, so we're now on round 6. We're going to use soft white, and we're going to join in any corner space. We're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do 1 half double crochet here. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to do another half double crochet in that same space, and that is going to be our corner. And to fix something on the pattern. All right, and so now we're going to back post half double crochet around each of the next 2 stitches. So we're going to 1 and 2. All right,